In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails in Outlook. We all know how overwhelming an inbox can become with those unwanted emails, and sometimes it just makes sense to simply block them. Fortunately, the process in Outlook is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can manage your inbox more effectively. Let's begin by accessing Outlook, the email service from Microsoft. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Outlook login page. This is the essential first step in getting into your email account. Once you're on the page, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to accessing your emails and settings. After you click sign in, you'll need to enter your email address. This is the same email you use to access your Outlook account regularly. When entering your email, double check that everything is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email address, click Next to proceed. This action will take you to the next step, which is entering your password. This is a crucial security step, so make sure you type in your password correctly. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to those capital letters and any special characters. After you've entered your password, you can go ahead and click Sign In to access your inbox. After logging in, Outlook might prompt you to confirm that you want to stay signed in. This is to ensure you don't have to enter your credentials every time you open Outlook. If you're using your personal device, it might be convenient to click yes, but if you're on a public or shared computer, it's safer to click no to protect your account. Great. Now that you're inside your Outlook account, let's navigate to your email. You should look for the Mail option, which is usually accessible from the main navigation menu. Clicking this will direct you to your inbox, where you can see all the emails you've received. Once you're in your inbox, identify the email you want to block. Sometimes emails can be persistent and keep coming back. For these, the best course of action is to block the sender outright. To do this, search for a small icon resembling three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, typically found at the top right corner of the email. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to managing the email. In this drop-down, you'll want to look for the option labeled Block. Selecting this option will prompt Outlook to block all future emails from that sender. It's a simple yet effective way to keep unwanted emails out of your inbox. By blocking the sender, Outlook will automatically route future emails from that source to your junk or spam folder, essentially filtering them out of your main inbox view. This feature helps to keep distractions at bay and ensures your inbox remains manageable with only the emails that truly matter to you. Remember, blocking is a powerful tool and it's wise to use it thoughtfully. It's intended for those persistent, unwanted senders that you're sure you won't need to hear from again. For senders you're uncertain about, it might be beneficial to first mark them as spam or junk to see how well Outlook's filters manage them. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to block unwanted emails in Outlook, freeing you from the clutter of emails you'd rather not see. With these steps, managing your emails becomes not only easier, but also puts you in control of what reaches your inbox. This small habit can significantly impact your productivity by allowing you to focus on what really matters. So whenever you find those pesky unwanted emails sneaking back into your inbox, remember these steps. Over time, you'll find that your email experience becomes much more pleasant and less overwhelming. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope this guide was helpful in making your Outlook usage more efficient and organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore the help resources available within Outlook or leave a comment below. Enjoy your clutter-free inbox.